Okay, if you missed class yesterday, I'm going to help you do the graphing with scale factor. We're going to skip activity 1. And this document is on Schoology. It's titled Practice with Graphing with Scale Factor. Okay, activity 2 is where we start. It says draw a line that starts at 0, -10. So let's zoom in on our graph paper. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, here's 0, -10. Okay, now, oops. It says a slope of 2/3. So that means we're going to take -10 and go up to right 3. So from there, zoom back in. We're going to go up to right 3, put a dot. Up to right 3, put a dot. And we're going to do the best we can to draw a straight line. Okay. Now, it says connect the vertices 0, -10, 0, -6, and 6, 6. We're talking about these 3 points right here. So we're going to plot those 3 points and connect them. They should make a triangle. So we already have 0, -10. 0, -6 is right here. And 6, -6 is right next to it. So it asks us for the rate of change of this triangle. So that means we're going up 4 and over 6. So my rate of change is going to say 4 over 6. Now I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to connect the vertices on this other set of points. 3, -8. Let's zoom in. 3, -8 is right here. 3, -2 is right here. And 12, -2 is right there. So we're going to count up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this one is up 6, and it's over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No. All right, if you need some help with graphing with scale factor, this is in your Schoology folder. It's called Practice Graphing with Scale Factor. We're going to skip activity 1 and we're going to go straight to activity 2. Okay. The first thing it says is draw a line that starts at the point 0, -10 and goes through the x-axis and has a slope of 2, 3. So we have to start at 0, -10. So I'm going to zoom in. And I'm going to count 10 down. Right here. Okay. It has a slope of 2/3, which means I go up to right 3. So I'm going to continue to go up to right 3, up to right 3, up to right 3, up to right 3, all the way to the end. Do the best you can to draw a line through the graph. Okay, that is number 1. Number 2 says that we need to connect the vertices. These 3 points, we're going to connect them. 0, -10 is already right there. 0, -6 is 4 up from there. Right here. And 6, -6 is right here. So I'm going to connect those. Okay, so it wants to know the rate of change of this particular shape. So that means we have to go up 4. So I'm going to put a little 4. And we have to go over 6. So rate of change is 4 over 6. Okay, next shape. Do the same thing, except we're going to connect these 3 points. 3, -8. So when I zoom in, 3, -8 is right here. Okay, it says 12 or 3, -2. And 12, -2. There is my other shape. I'm going to do the rate of change of this shape. So I'm going up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is going up 6 and over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the rate of change of the other shape is 6 over 9. So the last question is asking you to determine the scale factor. So think 4 over 6 to 6 over 9. Now this is kind of tricky because you can't look at 4 and say 4 times what gives me 6. But you know that you're multiplying. So in order to figure that out, you're going to go backwards and you're going to do 6 divided by 4 and you're going to get 1.5. So that must be what we multiply by and make sure it works for 6. Is 6 times 1.59? It is. So my scale factor is 1.5. Okay. Homework is to do the same thing here with activity 3 and activity 4. So it says the vertical. So you're going to count up 1, 2, 3, 4. The vertical of the larger is 4 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4 over 6. So this is 4 and 6. The vertical of the smaller is a 2 by 3. So how did we go from large to small? How did we go from 4 all the way down to 1/2? What did we 4 all the way down to 2. We multiplied by 1/2. And 6 down to 3 we multiplied by 1/2. So now I just did activity 3. Your homework is to complete activity 4, which are these 3 questions right here, and you can upload it. Okay? Good luck.